Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Learning is Fun with Surya. Today I'm gonna show you a cool carnival vlog. Guys, this is an inflatable castle. Look at me jumping. I'm like a spring, jumping up and down. I was at the top of the castle and now I was just down. I'm trying to climb up the slide, but it's kind of hard. So I was climbing up the net. It's easy. Can you guess? Can I climb first or not? Oh, I think I can be last. That's okay. Okay. Look at my friend. Everybody is going on there and he's gonna get wobbly and sliding down. Ah! Oh man. Okay. There's me sliding with my friend down. I am jumping up and down and I'm gonna get up. Yow! I'm jumping and sliding at the same time. Oh! I was jumping, and it was so fun. Yeah. And now, where will I go? There, boy. Okay, now I'm like sleeping and sliding there. Oh man! Whoa, how did I touch that? Now we're going in the merry-go-round. Whoa! It's very fast. In Telugu, merry-go-round is called the Rangula Ratnam. And there's the Ferris wheel. I'm saying hi to my mom. We're going up and then we're going down. We're gonna spin all around. Woohoo! Look at those. This is a small Ferris wheel. Whoa, it's very fast now. Whoa, it looks like it's very faster now. Guys, do you hear all the noise, sounds, and disturbance? That's how it will be in a carnival. So, don't forget to close your ears sometime. The ride is done, so the man is dropping the kids. And we're waiting for us to get down. Guys, now we're on the trampoline. It's kind of like the bouncy castle, but not that many friends. Whoa! Now there's 4 rides. Guys, see, one of my friends is falling down. Because when others jump, the force spreads around and it makes others fall. That's kind of silly and fun. Bye-bye, friends. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.